Eye protection, very important. We got adequate clearance for the peg. I'm gonna call that good. Okay, peg modification. Got a shave right here. Shave that part. And I'm gonna shave these little two nubs. And that'll cause the peg to fold all the way up. So I gotta get the nubs out next. These little nubs. I need a grinder. Get yourself a cutting disc, preferably a new one, so you don't fuck your face up. There you go. Secure disc. Eye protection, very important. Out, shave that, more shave right there, and more shave, because still doesn't fold all the way up. I want it touching right here. That needs to be touching right here where my finger goes, or for the bottom part of the rubber right here. It's almost good. Oh yeah, so that, I would consider that pretty good. See how my finger no longer fits there? And the rubber touches it, the rubber squishes right down there. We got adequate clearance for the peg to fold. I'm gonna call that good. Might be a little dark here. This peg folds all the way up. It's a